Hi everyone, this is David Sandmore, and on behalf of Philippe Lecoute and myself, welcome to an end-to-end user walkthrough of the new WalletPush software. So let me just show you this is the WalletPush software. I've had a lot of people reach out to me saying, you know, how does this now work? What I want you to think of is the WalletPush itself has now become the high level of customer retention incorporating mobile wallet. We do not need to stitch together any other software. We do not need different pass verifiers. We do not need any additional software to be able to provide an end-to-end solution, not only for the clients, but for the business as well, which makes it super simple to be able to create store cards, memberships, loyalty, event tickets, all of that type of thing. So again, this is the actual dashboard, but what I want to do is I want to give you literally a walkthrough of what it's like for a customer when they first sign up. So let me share my phone so you get an understanding of what we've actually got here. So this is the sign up page. So that's what I created with AI, and it's for my fictional sandboard beach club. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign up for this. So I'm going to use my wife's name, if I can spell it right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the Join Rewards program. That's creating my mobile wallet pass. So what's going to happen, you're going to see that has now, again, creating the pass. It's saying the pass has been created, and there it is. So I now have the mobile wallet pass, and when I click add, what that's doing, that's adding that to my mobile wallet. And then what it's doing is redirecting me to a members area login. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a password, and let's say for now I'll call that Failure Sample 65. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to complete the account setup. And what that's going to do, that's going to redirect me to my login area. So what you're actually looking at now is a dashboard that is particularly for me, fellow Sandmore. As you can see here, I've got 0 points, I've got 0 balance. And then what I've got here is almost sort of like a banner ad for Sandmore's Beach Club. You know, we've got this Pirate Bay Cove opening soon. We've got multiple different things that are, again, part of the individual Sandmore's Beach Club that we're promoting, different events, different upcoming, you know, we're opening the Pirate Bay Beach Cove in a month from now. But this enables businesses to promote or announce what's coming up. So this particular dashboard that you're looking at is all part of the new WalletPush software. And what you'll see here is that we have this QR code scanner. So for many of you that are familiar with the mobile wallet space, what you had to do is somehow incorporate the redemption side of things. Well, what we've actually done in this particular case, within the WalletPush software, we have our own POS system. We have our own redemption system. So let me give you an example of that. So if I click on my phone, if I click on scan QR code, it's going to ask me, am I going to allow access to my camera? I'm going to allow that, and then I'm going to switch to what would normally be a table 10. So what happens here is I'm going to scan that QR code, and what you can see from my phone, it's now connecting me. So welcome Failure Sandmore, a team member for Sandmore's Beach Club will assist you shortly. Do not refresh this page. Keep this screen open while staff assist you. So what this has actually done is this has connected me to the POS side of WalletPush. And let me show you what that looks like. So here, what we've actually got is the POS side of things. So this is again part of the WalletPush. It's a POS system. So as you can see, I am now connected. I have 0 points. I have 0 money on my store card. And here, traditionally, what you would have, whether or not you were using high level, whether or not using managed chat, whether or not you're using something like pass verifier, any of this sort of pass validation system to either add points, you know, deduct, redeem offers, or whatever the program may be. But what we've actually got here is a self-contained system. So let's say that Fayla's come in to Sandals Beach Club and she says, I want to put some money on my card. So she's connected to here. This is, imagine a POS. So you've got an iPad that we scan the code at the checkout. What this has done is that's loaded into an iPad, what you're seeing here, the exact thing that you're seeing here. And the staff will say, okay, Fayla, what would you like to do? I said, I'd like to add some money to my store card. I said, okay, no problem. We'll top up your store card. Your current balance is, you know, £0. How much do you want to give us, Fayla? I says, I want to give you £100. I want to top up my card with £100. I say, okay, cool. We're going to give you a 10% bonus on that. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to give you £110 for topping up. Would you like to pay cash or would you like to pay by credit card? Oh, I'll pay cash. So here they say, I'm going to pay cash, and then click up, top up card. And what happens is, boom, because I'm now connected to the mobile wallet pass from Fayla Sandals' phone, in other words, my phone, what's now happened is we've topped up her card with 110. So basically when I come back to here, you'll see that I'm still connected. But when I come in here and I say, okay, complete the session, check out. Okay, Fayla, what we've done is we've topped up your card. The action is now complete, and we're going to take you back to your dashboard, which is going to show the transactions that's actually just basically taken place with your mobile wallet pass. And so there you can see we've actually added $110 to the balance itself. So it would be the exact same thing. So let me again, let's say that I want to scan that QR code again. And again, this is, remember, this is like a table 10, right? So this is a table 10, we scan to interact with staff. That's now loading me into the POS, and in the POS, boom, I'm in again. I've got my 110 store card balance, you know. So let's say now I've come back, right? I've come back to Sandals Beach Club, and I've just had a lovely Sunday roast. And I come up to the checkout. I've got everything in my, you know, so I've got my pass open and say, okay, Fayla, how would you like to pay? You say, I would like to pay with my store card balance. It's like, okay, you've just had a nice dinner, and what we're going to do is we're going to process that payment. So what we're going to say here, the Sunday roast was £48. I'm not going to give you a discount, so here I can say, you know, that was a Sunday lunch, 48 pounds. I'm going to process that payment. That's processing it, and then you'll see here that we've now gone to 62. I'm going to complete the session, and what that's doing is, so what we've actually got is we have the dashboard of Mobile Wallet, we have the POS system connected to Mobile Wallet. They're both talking to each other, And what they're doing is they are updating the mobile wallet pass at the exact same time. So when I come back here, you'll see that my balance is 62. I've spent $48. So I've actually gained 48 points. And this is the way that the whole new WalletPush is working. It's an all-in-one system. We don't need to stitch together anything right now. We don't need to stitch together, like high level with Zapier, with 𝐚𝐜𝐸𝐸. What Philippe and myself is created here is a full-blown one-on-one system. When I come back to this particular dashboard, so it's a two-way. So let's say, for example, me, Fela, I'm the customer, and I want to use my mobile wallet pass. What I'm doing is I have the choice of scanning a QR code at checkout, scanning a QR code on the table, wherever that may be, or alternatively, the other way around, which is that the staff could scan with this exact same thing. On mobile, it looks identical, where if I was to scale this down on mobile, it's the exact same thing. But it works the other way around, that if I was to, obviously I'm on desktop, so it's not going to work, but if on mobile I click QR code scanner, I then scan the QR code in the mobile wallet pass that's going to do the exact same thing. It's going to load Fela into here, my wife's going to load her, and we then take the actions, close the connection, job done. So what we've actually, the problem that we've solved is the whole redemption side of things when it comes to mobile wallet, especially when it comes to things like store cards, memberships, loyalty, where there's obviously been that friction. I need to incorporate this into my POS system. What we've actually done here is brought everything together in a single platform, in the actual WalletPush platform here, where again, you've got everything. Creating the mobile wallet pass, creating the landing page, creating the point of sale system, so that literally from start to finish, everything is done within this single platform. Now, this is something that I'm going to be doing a lot of training on over the coming weeks prior to us doing the public launch. If this is something that you are interested in getting your hands on, Philippe and myself do have a lifetime deal that we're offering right now prior to us actually launching to the public with our, this is obviously going to be a subscription to businesses. So let me show you the main sales page. This is going to be main sales page with the type of packages that we're going to be offering to businesses to provide them with that solution. But what we're also doing is providing agencies that you can actually have unlimited businesses, unlimited push notifications, and a set amount of passes that you can then distribute to, different businesses. Those businesses may want memberships, loyalty, store card, coupons, events, whatever it is that they want that is mobile wallet related. What we have done in very simplistic terms is we have created a customer retention mobile wallet tool that is pretty much an all-in-one high-level type of software, if that makes sense. So if you are interested in getting your hands on a lifetime deal prior to us launching this to the public, which is probably going to be in about 2 weeks from now, reach out to Philippe, reach out to me, send me a direct message, leave a comment on this video, and we'll happily either hop on a call with you, set you up with this lifetime deal where you never have to pay a monthly fee, period, right? You just pay one time prior to us launching, and this whole software is entirely yours to go out there and get loyalty customers, membership customers, event ticket customers, and store card customers. So hopefully that sort of clarified the whole new WalletPush, that it is an all-in-one platform. There is no need to stitch together anything outside of WalletPush anymore. Those days are over. So on behalf of Philippe and myself, any questions, as always, leave them below this video and we will catch up soon. Take care.